Hey there, how are you? I hope you are well. I just wanted to do a quick video on some of the warm-ups that I use to get ready for either a day of teaching or a gig like I have tonight. The first thing you need to do, if you see it behind me on my screen, I just 100% you've got to use a metronome of any type. You can use like an internet drummer like the one provided by Innkeeper Studio backing tracks. I'll put the link in the description. That's a fantastic way of actually measuring how you go, and in terms of like being able to really see that you're improving. Because one of the hardest things when you're practicing by yourself is just to actually see the improvement in you. So that's the first thing. Okay, so let's skip forward. We're going to go for exercise 1 that I always play. Here we go. Okay, here we are. So first up, it's a really simple exercise. You're just going to play 1, 2, 3, 4 on each string. Just like this. Imagine the backing track is going, so you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick. Always making sure to keep your fingers as close to the frets as you can. Using good technique, making sure you're using your fingertips, keeping your thumb on the back of the neck. Let's just give you a bit of a, you see it, it's nice and placed in the middle on the back of the neck like that. Let's come around, and if you feel like it, move up one, come back down. Da, 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 da. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then up. This is an absolutely terrific exercise. It requires absolutely no brain power. So you're just going 1, 2, 3, 4 all the time. Making sure with your pick that you're kind of coming down, da, 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 opposite directions all the time. So that's exercise 1 that I like to use. Okay, exercise 2 is a similar sort of situation, but we're playing 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. At the top, we're going to go 3, 2, and then come back down towards the bottom E string, and then up 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Move up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Tick tock, 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 tick tock. Just like that. Now, how you manage the speed of the tempo and stuff is if you get it right, just make it go faster. You should always be trying to kind of improve. That's 2 exercises. Another one I don't mind using is this one where you're going to play 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 4, 3, do, 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 do. All those sorts of things. Now, of course, you don't always have to, let me just pull you up here. You don't always have to be playing in 4/4. You could play triplets. You could play in different time signatures, and depending on whatever you feel like. Just you'll find loads of different people have done drum only backing tracks, and just sit along with those, and generally try and increase the tempo as you go. So there's 3 really top exercises for you, pretty easy to remember. There's nothing really, not like playing a scale or anything. It's really just to warm your hand up, and so you can super concentrate on the technique that you're employing. Okay, thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe for more videos just like this one. There's a lot more technique videos that I have up, but also song lesson videos, how you use various software I use, like Audacity, I did one a little while ago, and of course how you play a whole bunch of songs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Appreciate the support. Cheers. Bye.